G'day, my name's Renee. They've asked me to demonstrate our range of watch cases or watch boxes. They're a beautiful quality box. They're made of leather. They come from Rocher, which is a French company. So it's for a very high-end type watch. Outside it's leather, on the inside it's made from suede. We have two colors. There's the black or the burgundy or brown color. The brown ones are from a crocodile grain. The square ones will fit 6 watches. The other ones will fit 3 watches. So yeah, plenty of options. They're ideal for the man that's got everything and has a nice watch collection. They're beautiful. We also have, if you're so interested, a range of watch tools. We have all the different assortments of tools to open watches, to change your own batteries and all that sort of thing. But also, if you want an array of all the tools, we also have those available at quite a reasonable price. But yeah, and also the Rocher watch bands. The Rocher watch bands are all, we have a huge selection of them. They're in leather or synthetic materials as well. So yeah, they're all available.